You just have to check whether if your power supply works with this keyboard. First, you need to look at the minus and plus on here as well. It's here, plus and minus and plus is here. On here as well, this one says 9 volts, this one says 12, but this will work on 12 as well. It's working. Here is the U-disc, audio, mic, headphone, and the power needs to be 9 volts, any 9 volts that has 5 amps. It's working fine. Just make sure it's not in milliamps. It should be 5 amps maximum, or 10 amps if the mains is 5 amps and the DC is a 5, it will equal 10 amps maximum. And then you have the batteries as well that are at the back as well, which takes 6, will make 9 as well, so that's 10 amps and 9 volts.